Welcome. Myself Pak Chaitali Bahasai. Today I am going to represent the video lecture on classification of nitrogenous fertilizer. Classification of nitrogenous fertilizer. The fertilizer material containing the nitrogen are called as the nitrogenous fertilizer. They may contain the secondary nutrient like calcium and sulfur. This nitrogenous fertilizer classify into 4 groups. First one is nitrate fertilizer. That nitrate fertilizer contain only nitrate group. Their good example are sodium nitrate and calcium nitrate. Chemical formula of sodium nitrate is NaNO3. It contains the 16% of N. And second one is the calcium nitrate. Chemical formula is CaNO3 twice. That is 15.5% of N is contained. These nitrate fertilizers are highly mobile in a soil, therefore suitable for the top dressing. They are highly soluble in subjected and to the leaching losses. They are subjected to the denitrification in the waterlogged soils and increase the alkalinity as they are the basic in their residual effects. Then second classification is the ammonical fertilizers. These ammonical fertilizers again classify into 4 groups: ammonium sulfate, ammonium phosphate, ammonium chloride and anhydrous ammonia. Then ammonium sulfate chemical formula is NH4 twice SO4. It contains 20% of N. Then ammonium phosphate is NH4H2PO4, contain 20% of N. Ammonium chloride NH4Cl contain 24 to 26% of N. And anhydrous ammonia, that is NH3, it contains 20 to 25% of N. They are easily available to the plant and radiably soluble in the water. The leaching losses are more and less, and ammonium ions are absorbed on the clay complexes. It reduces the alkalinity in the acidic whenever it residual effect on the soil, well suited to the submerged soils. Then third classification is the nitrate ammonical fertilizer. It contains both group nitrate and ammonical. It classifies into 3 groups: ammonium nitrate, ammonium sulfate nitrate and CAN. CAN are the calcium ammonium nitrates. Ammonium nitrate formula, chemical formula is NH4NO3. It contains 33 to 34% of N. And ammonium sulfate nitrate, it contains 26% of N. CAN contain also 26% of N. These fertilizers are available to the plant very easily and radiably soluble in the water. The leaching losses are less and reduce in alkalinity as they are acidic in their residual effects. Then last classification is amide fertilizers. Amide fertilizers are the contain urea and calcium cyanide. Urea contain the 46% of N and calcium cyanide contain 21% of N. If they are the carbon compounds, leaching losses are less and radiably soluble in water, but these amide fertilizers are easily decomposed by the microorganism. Thank you.